Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today on Kat's Vegan Kitchen, we are baking. We're baking my favorite cake, a delicious dairy-free, egg-free carrot cake. Welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Let's get started. Before we get started, I want to tell you a story. My friend CJ's favorite cupcakes are carrot cake cupcakes, so I made these for her last birthday party. But we did not tell anyone they were vegan because she was sure her family wouldn't even try them. When they were gone in a matter of minutes and everybody was asking me for the recipe, we fessed up and told them they were vegan and they could not believe it. I promise you're gonna love this recipe. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees and lining a cupcake tin with cupcake liners. Grab your medium-sized mixing bowl and it's time to add our dry ingredients. You're going to add 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup light brown cane sugar. This is not the same as brown sugar, but in a pinch you can replace it with brown sugar. 1/4 cup white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that all together really well until it's uniformly mixed together. Right now, everybody is talking about egg prices in America, but you do not need to worry about that because this is an eggless recipe. Today, I'm going to use Bob's Red Mill, which is my favorite egg replacer for vegan baking, but there are lots of other vegan egg replacers. I'll link some in the description below. For this egg replacer, just make sure to follow the directions, but it's 1 tablespoon of egg replacer to 2 tablespoons of water. I am replacing 3 eggs in this recipe. For Bob's Red Mill, we stir it up and we let it sit for about a minute to thicken before we add in the other ingredients. To your egg replacer, add 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 1/2 a can of drained crushed pineapple, and 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, and whoops, I forgot the vanilla. So typically you would add this to your wet ingredients, but I'm adding it to my bowl right now. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and then blend it with a handheld mixer for about a minute until it's beautifully combined. Fold in 2 cups of finely grated carrots, and if you want, you can add in 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of finely chopped pecans or walnuts. Feel free to lick a beater to make sure your batter tastes super yummy. It does. And then I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup measuring cup and I'm going to fill my cupcake liners till they're about 2/3 filled. This recipe makes about 12 cupcakes or 1 9 by 9 inch cake. So if you want a full layer cake or a large 13 by 9 inch cake, double the recipe. I'm gonna pop my cupcakes in the oven for about 18 to 25 minutes. I'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. If you ask me, the best part of this recipe is the sugary and delicious vegan cream cheese frosting. I'm gonna show you how to make that up really quick while I'm waiting for my cupcakes to bake. To make my frosting, I'm gonna take 1 package of vegan cream cheese. Today I'm using Tofutti cream cheese, but I also love Violife. You're gonna use about an 8-ounce package. Add in 1/3 cup of a vegan soy margarine, a little bit softened. Go ahead and combine those with your handheld mixer until they're really creamed and blended together. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla and then slowly add in 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. Mix that up with your handheld mixer on low to medium speed for about a minute or 2. You're looking for a really creamy consistency, so if you have lumps, just turn the speed up and blend until it's nice and creamy. My cupcakes have about 5 minutes to go, so I'm just gonna store this in the refrigerator until my cupcakes are cooled and ready to frost. My cupcakes baked for 24 minutes. Toothpick came out nice and clean. Here's the hardest part. I have to let them cool for about an hour before I can frost them and eat them up. Okay, my cupcakes are cooled, my frosting is ready. I put my frosting in a piping bag because I like to make it look a little bit prettier. It's a really nice touch to sprinkle these with walnuts or pecans. Makes them look extra pretty. If you're looking for the full written recipe, remember you can always find it linked in the description below. Go ahead and bake a batch of these up and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you love this recipe, remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. I'll see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.